2 months, 6 months, even 1 year. Take 1 year to 2 years to learn. Okay, trust me. Okay, if you think that you want to become a super investor in 1 or 2 years time, you are wrong. Okay, investor is not the type of game. Okay, investor is a long haul game. You're using money to compound money. Okay, and a certain stage, okay, you have no issue about money anymore. Okay, so this is 3 simple steps but not easy step for you to start. However, I believe your guys come here today already, okay, is a good step for you to start already. Okay, why? Because you take the initiative in the second step. Okay, after the second step, go for the third step. Okay, so start with $100. You get the MTRADEGO account, open it, okay, and from there we'll guide you step by step how to reach your financial goal. All right, guys. Okay, this is a very important step. Is before I go into what is called stock investing, the question actually by Dr. Peter. Okay, as Dr. Peter said already, what is called stock investing? To make it very, very simple, a lot of people think that stock investing is very, very tough. Okay, you need to read the financial statement. You need to know what's Bollinger Bands. Okay, you need to know RSI. Okay, because I myself is a trader also. Okay, so being a trader and investor is not easy. Okay, because it is more like you have to have two personality and two attitude. Okay, so I don't want to mention about that. So I believe most of the audience today are still working. I don't want you to spend a lot of time looking at the chart, reading a lot of news, looking all type of things, you know. Okay, I just want to guide you a simple way first. Okay, how you can do stock investing successfully. Okay, because stock investing is not looking the return in 5 days, not like trading. Okay, it's not in 5 months. We're talking about 3 to 5 years time. This is called a stock investing. Right, guys? Okay, so make it simple. You don't need to worry about all the jargon, you know, or what is called price of earning ratio, all this kind of thing. Okay, so you want to learn all this kind of thing, you can read yourself easily. You can understand. Trust me. Okay. So like what people, you are actually stock investing. Actually, is invest. The simplest thing is invest the product and the services you use every day, because you know this product are good, you know, and it actually help you. Okay, and you can see also the business is growing. Okay, so basically all this kind of product, I believe if your guys never use it before, okay, your guys are not in the planet Earth. Okay, all these products are all listed in New York Stock Exchange or NASDAQ. All right, so these are the 2 largest stock exchange in the world. All right, so the product are listed there. So why using the product? Why don't you just become the owner of the company? Don't laugh, 1 share only. Hey, let me tell you, if you own 1 share of Berkshire Hathaway Class A, it costs about 300-400,000 US dollars. Okay, so you have to be like, act like an owner of the company on the product that you use. Look at the cap here. This is one of my portfolio. All right. So basically, these are the 2 stock exchange where actually you can buy a stock. Okay, via the MTRADEGO. Okay, Peter. So this is very simple. Stock investing. I don't want to get it complicated. Okay, I just want to make it like what is stock investing by invest the product that you use. Okay, guys. Peter? Yeah. The slide on the product. Sure. You couldn't forward. This one, right? Oh yeah, I need to share it. Okay, you hold on for a while. This one, right? Yeah. Me. Because I own Tesla stock. Okay. Okay. Well, I say, wow, I say, this 1.5 years, I feel very, very, I would get, especially during the lockdown like now, okay? That's the reason why we have times to share with you guys, okay? If not, probably, I think, if I look back last year from now, I start lockdown, okay? But 2 years ago, I look at the Facebook 2 years ago, I was in Saigon, okay? So I like traveling, okay, because to me traveling buy you the experience, okay. I have to admit that I spend a lot of money on traveling, okay. It's not really that kind of luxury type of traveling, okay, but it's getting more and more luxury because I already experienced normal type of traveling, okay. But having said that, oh, sure. Okay, so that one actually is on one of the cruise going to Capri Island in Italy. It's a wonderful place. Okay, where actually you can see where Giorgio Armani stay. All right. Okay, you go to Venice. You can see where is the Angelina Jolie's, all those celebrities that stay at those hotel. Okay, so I like movie as well. That's the reason why. Okay, so we're going to be relaxed a bit now. Okay, before we go to about stock investing. Okay, we're talking about some traveling. Okay, that I have done. I've been going through about 80 over countries. Okay, hundreds of cities. So these are some of the clips that recent years before the COVID that I went to. All right. Okay, so you guys can enjoy for about 1 minute. All right, traveling. Okay, maybe we can spare about 3 to 5 minutes because we still have a lot of times. Okay, I'm very happy to share with you how you actually can start with a very budgeting traveling, okay, and then after that you can slowly upgrade it. Okay, so yeah, if you have any questions, you just type in, and then Peter will actually will ask me on behalf of you guys, okay, from the chat. Okay, and so basically one of my favorite spot, I think, is New York. Okay, it's because as a being US stock traders and investors. Okay, so basically Wall Street. Every time I go to New York, I will touch the charging booth. All right, so almost every year, if I go there, I will touch the charging booth. Okay, it's a bit I will call it a luck. Okay, so basically I will go to the Times Square as well. Okay, so I like to go to New York, to be very frank, okay, to be about at least stay there for about 1 week or like that. Okay, so I have some friends there as well. Okay, so hanging around there is one of the things I like to do. So if any question, you actually can unmute your mic and you just ask me. Okay, question we can forward. Okay. Okay, Pete, I think we go ahead. The next one. Okay, yeah, if you really want to look at what is stocks here, okay, basically you need to understand what is business. Okay, this is a very important. Okay, you need to understand what is business. Okay, stock, share, equity, these are the three similar terms. Okay, so normally in Wall Street they like to using equity. They don't using stock or share. This is maybe professionals like to use it. Okay, so when you heard about what is called equity debt, that is a share. Okay, so basically this is equity. Okay, so three of them are actually the same terms. Okay, Okay, they are the legal ownership of a company. Okay, so I give an example like, okay, if you want to start a business, okay, you don't have money, okay, so you want to start a restaurant called ABC Restaurant. Okay, you need 10,000 ringgit to start. Just give you a very easy example. All right, so if you have 5,000 ringgit, okay, so basically you need another 5,000 ringgit. So what you do here is you look for your friends and family, 5 of them, okay, A, B, C, D, E. So ask them to come up 1,000, 1,000. So what you can do here is you issue 10,000 share. Okay, you set up a company. Okay, you issue 10,000 share. All right. So each of them, okay, maybe contribute for 1,000. Okay, and you will own 50% of the company. The rest will be on 50% of the company. All right. So when the company start to grow, okay, your company will turn from like 10,000 ringgit to 1 million ringgit. I give an example. So what's the value of the share now? Can you do a simple calculation? Okay, including Peter. All right. Okay. So if you have a 5,000 share in the company. Okay, and now that is about 3 years ago. Example. Okay. So now the company is growing. Okay, become 1 million. 1 million worth of company, because somebody want to buy with you, then they value it. They say, hey Peter, I want your company, you sell it to me, okay, 1 million. Okay, so by having 5,000 invested, okay, you start with a 10,000 pay up capital, okay, which contribute by your friends. Okay, let's say you are one of the friends inside this business, you contribute 1,000 ringgit inside the business. And now the company is worth 1 million ringgit. Okay, so how much is your return now? Maybe you guys can do a calculations. Okay, because this is happened exactly in the US stock, but I try to using a very small amount for easier for you to understand. Okay, very simple. Okay, now you need 10,000 ringgit to start a business. Okay, assume that you have 5,000 ringgit. All right. Okay, so basically, let's say I need lah. Okay, I need example. I need 5,000, 10,000 ringgit to start a business. All right, so I have 5,000 ringgit and I need another 5,000 ringgit. So I said, Peter, you want to invest in my business? Put in a 1,000 ringgit. Okay, because currently our startup cost is about 10,000 ringgit. Okay, so 3 years later, this business become 1 million ringgit. Okay, somebody want to buy it. Okay, they buy your share. Okay, so your 1,000 ringgit, okay, invested, okay, become how much already? Okay, very simple, right? It become 100,000 already, right? Okay, because you own 10% of the company. All right. Okay, so this is exactly same thing like happen when you invest in stock in US, especially for the growth stock and for the small cap stock. Okay, or of course some of them are from private equity, which actually are not listed yet, but we're not going to mention about that. Okay, so your return will be about 100 times your 1,000 ringgit putting in. Okay, will become 100,000. Okay, so this is happened something like the stock. If you invested 10 years ago, if you look at the slide on your left hand side here, okay, what 1,000 US dollar invested in this stock 10 years ago would be worth today. Okay, so 1,000 if you invested in Tesla 10 years ago, if you really know Elon Musk, you trust him a lot, you know, you were willing to rent and storm with him. Okay, this is what you get today, 200 over 1,000. Okay, so with 1,000 investment 10 years ago in Tesla, today you can get the reward of 200 times return. You want to be a millionaire if you invested 5,000 10 years ago, today you are a millionaire. And the good thing here is you don't even drive Tesla, you're on Tesla stock. You get my idea here, Peter? Others? Yeah, please do that. Okay. So put it a very simple term here, the money work very, very hard for you when come to investing. Okay. In Starbucks, okay, if you invested 1,000 10 years ago, today it will worth about 50 over 1,000, 50 times. Still going up. Okay. So again, this is investment, all right, in the stock market. So Warren Buffett, okay, is saying that, okay, if you cannot find something that work for you when you are asleep, working hard, very hard for you while you're asleep, okay, you will work until you die. So don't work until you die. Okay, so in MTRADEGO, again, we will identify some growth stock for you, and we will let you know also what is the risk involved. Okay, and if you look for long term, I believe 10 years, 5 to 10 years ahead, welcome to the Millionaire Club. Right? Okay, Peter, I get back to you. So I hope that you understand what is a very simple way to invest. We just don't want to make it complicated. All right. Okay. Pete, how to choose good stock? Okay, what do you mean by good stock here is all based on your own destination. Okay, whether you are a risk taker or you want something that is stable and slowly grow. A lot of people will ask, if I invested in Tesla today, will it will grow some more or not? Okay, it's all depend how you look at it, how you study about Tesla business. Okay, I go into Tesla, actually it's quite high already. Okay, but I believe this company will grow. Okay, so of course you have to do on your own study, your own belief. Okay, so basically, okay, how to choose a good stock to make it a very, very simple and easy way for you to choose, and you don't need to get into a so-called a very, very a volatile market, okay, where the stock can go, because when it comes to growth stock, it will go up 50 to 60%. Okay, if you cannot see that type of volatility, okay, you can choose a blue chip stock, slow and steady. Okay, so again, we go back. This is the stock if you invested 10 years ago. Tesla $4. Today, actually, it's more than 500. It's about 2,000 already. Okay, because of the split, like what doctors say, they have split, I think, 4 times. Okay, so from $4, put it this way. Just now the slide said, oh, 1,000 become 200 over thousands. Okay, because they split few times. Okay, so the return is almost 9,000%. Amazon is about 2,420%. Okay, Netflix is about 6,000%. Everybody watching Netflix? Don't watch Netflix. Buy Netflix share. Okay, if you trust the company, will still continuous go. Lululemon. This is a very, very interesting name. Okay, I know this stock quite long ago. Okay, I hope one day the cap that I wear here will become like Lululemon. Okay, it's a long run marathon. It's a marathon. Okay, but I believe it is start growing. Okay, after go to the all-time low, and now actually is coming back. Okay, so again, it's a long run game. Okay, investing is a marathon. Trading is a sprinter. Okay, so if you want to become rich, okay, by investing, you have to be very, very patient and wait for the stock to grow. Okay, and pizza, Nomino pizza. Yesterday I just ordered. I wish I buy the stock. I didn't buy it. $8 to 385. Apple, $7 to 118. Okay, Nvidia, okay, $16 to 538. And Master, okay, 25 to 336. Okay, come back to the credit card. A lot of people ask me, okay, I don't want to use credit card, can or not? Yeah, if you think credit card, you can, you abuse a credit card, don't use it. But if credit card, you pay on time, I just want to share with you my every year traveling overseas expenses, the air ticket, 50 to 60% is paid by the points that I collected from credit card. Okay, credit card used to be my enemy 10 years ago, 12 years ago, but today is my good friends, right? Because I used to redeem the point to claim the first class ticket, air ticket. All right, okay. So of course, I pay on time. This is the lesson I learned from 10 years ago. Okay, okay. How to choose a good stock? Now we go at it. Okay, Pete, maybe you can look at these terms. Maybe you can try to use your own interpretations. Okay, to share with audience. Okay, some of the company have this fulfill this kind of criteria. You have a 4 point here, 5 point here. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, thanks, Pete. Okay, just now I just want to add on something on exit based on fundamentals here. The interpretation here actually is based on what we mean here is if when you start to sell the share is because of the fundamental factors, meaning that you actually thinking this business is not going to work in the long term anymore. I give you example is like Kodak. For those are old enough, you know Kodak, right? Kodak, right? Okay, Kodak actually used to be the biggest company, okay, in the world. However, because of they cannot cope up, okay, with the trend, okay, with the creativity, okay, when the mobile phone, okay, I mean, trend of photographers in the mobile phone, okay, so the technology they cannot cope up, the marketing they cannot cope up, and this is when the downfall. So if you see this kind of conditions, you want to sell your share, yes, okay, but not the fear, not because of like the market noise, someone say this and that, okay, and what Peter said is totally right. The best time to buy in is when the market boom, okay, boom meaning that not boom up, is boom is can crash yourself, bam, like that, okay. So during this period of times, fear actually conquer the market. Okay, so a lot of traders will cut loss. Okay, cut loss, cut loss, cut loss. Short seller will keep short selling. Okay, so the stock will time all the way go down until the bottom. Okay, so don't try to catch the bottom also. Okay, because later on we're going to share with you. Sometimes you try to catch the bottom. Okay, you may not get it. Okay, when the stock start to bounce back. All right. So you're just using a very simple way. Later on, we're going to share with you. Okay. So I think it's a very good explanation for Peter. Okay. So don't invest in the business that you don't have confidence at all. Okay. Not like something like I always ask people, you want to invest in Ali Kopitiam or Starbucks? Okay. You know the answer. Okay. Okay. Unless Ali Kopitiam, is your own business. Okay. Or put your monies in something that is more concrete, solid. Okay. Because that is actually how you invest. Okay. So how to choose a good stock? Okay. Very simple. Invest in a solid business and have a huge market dominance. Okay. Long-term growth view. Okay. And believe in the business will survive the next 10, 20 years. Okay. Because if they not survive, your stock price will go tank down. Okay, so you have to really have confidence on the business. One of the business where Warren Buffett will never sell one is Coca-Cola. Okay, because that business give him the dividend, daily dividend is about 2 millions over US dollars. Okay, so this is how he make money. Okay, he's really a big money machine, Okay, so so believe in the business long term. Okay, in a long term basis, regardless how the economy go, the business will still continue grow. Okay, so exit based on the fundamental has explained and ignore the market noise. This part not many people can do it, especially you are new. Okay, so because most of the investor are newbies, especially they cannot see the price go down. Okay, because sometimes when they buy it, okay, they think this is a good price already, it go down and they don't have holding powers. Okay, so even they have holding power, they cannot see the price go down. I have this kind of clients before, to be very, very frank to you. Okay, they cannot see things go down. One very, very funny. Okay, so this is actually your psychology, okay, problem. Okay, so investing involves three elements: fundamental, technically. Okay, technical actually is for you to trading mostly. Okay, but you need it also sometimes in investing. And the last part, I think, is the most difficult one. Even you have number one, number two, the last part is your psychological. Okay, you cannot see the price go down. Okay, in any investment, if you cannot see the price go down 50%, don't invest. I have to be very frank to you. Okay, because you can keep your money in the saving also, but you are not going to get rich one. Okay, you can see other people get rich already after 5 to 10 years. You will be there also. Okay, so you have to allocate your money, okay, which you have the holding power. Okay, so ignore the market noise. Okay, the worst time is the best time. Let the time digest. When everything, the sky is clear, you can see the stock will boom go up. Okay, especially now today. Okay, because it's getting more and more retail investor joining into the market. Okay, so this is some of the points how you can choose a good stock. Okay, so some of the stock that are in my portfolio, like I told you, Apple, Tesla is in my portfolio. Starbucks used to be, I sell it. When it go down, I will buy some more. Okay, but do your own research. Okay, and these are some of the stock. Okay, and including other growth. Hi, Pete, are you there? Yeah, the connections. I think too many people are using the internet connections because of everybody stay at home. You have anything to add? Can you hear me, Pete? Oh, okay. The last part here is ignore the market noise. Okay, meaning that when everybody in fear, okay, buy the stock. Okay, buy the stock. Okay, if you believe in that business. Okay, because this is my personal experience in last year during the March when the Starbucks crash. Okay, I buy it a lot at $50 over, and I'm using a dollar cost averaging method. Okay, so basically overall when the stock go up, I make money from there. All right. Okay, because the valuation, the PE is already go below 20 during that period of time. I still remember. Okay, Peter, can you hear? Can you hear me? Is it clear now? All right. Oh, that's from coaching. That's from coaching. Maybe. No more COVID. You cannot come over. Roti kosong. Roti kosong. No, teh tarik 3 layer. Okay. All right. Okay. Yeah. Thanks. Thanks a lot. Okay. I think we have another 15 minutes to go. I think you basically explained most of it already. Okay. So maybe my explanations. I use a slide. Okay. To illustrate it. Okay. So dollar cost averaging here is basically you buy. Okay. Everyone I think want to become a millionaire when they retire. I mean in US dollars. Okay. Let's assume that every week you spend 100 US dollars to buy the share that you like, the business that you trust. Okay, so with the rate of the return of 20% every year, okay, so you keep like trading, investing in stock, like saving like that. Every week you put in $100 to keep buying it. Okay, so 20 years later, or 10 years, 15 years later, okay, congratulations, definitely your wealth is going to increase. Okay, you know why? Okay, because this stock, the value go up, you can keep compounding it. Okay, when you compound it, you can see the effect. Okay, so this is how Warren Buffett become very, very rich. Okay, so you continuously every week or every month or every 2 weeks or every quarterly, depends on your capability and objective. Okay, so you just keep buying the stock that you like. I give a very example here is like Facebook. Like if you started in this year, okay, mid of March, okay, every 2 weeks you buy the stock at a different price. Okay, so basically, and then you're using this price to average it out, so you will making money when the stock and the business slowly growing. Okay, so the best thing about dollar cost averaging here is you really ignore the fear, okay, the noise of the market, because you keep the business is just like your saving. Okay, by the time of after 10, 15, 20 years, just like what I mentioned in the earlier part. Okay, the janitor here, okay, you will become a, what do you call it, you will become a millionaire. Okay, even you are a janitor. Okay, so this is what I mean here is uh you can using a very simple way. In fact, this is the most effective way, because not everyone have 10,000 US dollar to start, 20,000, 100,000 that kind of money to start with. Okay, so but to get 100 US dollars per week, I believe most of you can. If you cannot, maybe 2 weeks or even 1 month. Okay, so by this, actually you just treat this like a saving like that. Okay, so just keep buying, just don't look at the price. Okay, so just like saving every week. Okay, Friday or Wednesday, okay, when the time reach, buy. So you average it out in a long-term basis, you can see your wealth will keep compounding. Okay, will keep compounding. Sure. Yep, exactly like what Pete said just now. Okay, so I mean currently we open questions to all of you. Okay, I believe today's Dr. Peter have shared a lot of things with you guys. Okay, on what, okay, we can offer to you. Okay, we share with you. We are free. Okay, because this is actually all based on the experience. Okay, and in a very simple way. Sometimes simple is better. Okay, but simple sometimes is not easy, so you must take the courage, okay, to start to change your habit, like I said, the 3 step there. Okay, number one, you must have a very good money management, get rid of all the bad debt. Okay, number two, okay, basically you have, okay, what do you call it, you must educate yourself about on this financial literacy. Okay, so this part again, when you join MTRADEGO, we will guide you, because MTRADEGO is not something like for you to just, speculate this and that, okay. But what we do here is we will guide you if you don't understand, okay. And the good news, like I tell you already, you can self-study at the internet, but just Google it, plenty of information there, okay. So we will give you the support here also. And after you're doing these two part, number 3, the step 3 is very important here, is you must start, not next month or not next quarter. You must not now, okay. You must start now, okay. You must, after this first step, second step, you already ready, you must start the third step, okay, tomorrow when the market open, okay. So if you don't have account with MTRADEGO, okay, you actually basically can sign up our account, okay. You can actually go to our website, or I believe Peter have a link for you, okay. Peter, maybe you can share a link, okay, with them, okay. So basically you just click that link, okay, you install the app, okay. So basically, Peter, I think you go to the Facebook, we have a Facebook live also, okay. So basically you can put your link there also, okay. So basically you click that link, you can install the app, okay. And then the moment you install the app, watch out your email, look at your email, okay. You have to look at the spam folder sometime, because now the filter, the Gmail filter is very strict, okay. Sometimes you look at the spam filter, if there's a in the spam folder there, basically you unspam it, okay. So put in a whitelist, okay. Then after that, we will guide you step by step how to open account, okay. So because MTRADEGO is a legit licensed entity, we work with US partner, okay. So basically we have to follow the procedure, okay. So you have to open the account, okay, via the app, okay. So after you open the account, okay, then basically if you have any issue, you just write to admin@mtradego.com. As I say, because we are locally based, okay, your interest will be taken care of, okay. We will use 100% effort to solve your problem, okay, which we can, okay. Because sometimes some of the KYC actually is done by US part, okay. So we have to wait for the reply. Sometimes they may take about 1 or 2 weeks or maybe longer to do the KYC. We can't do anything for that. All right. Yeah, correct. Tomorrow US is a Memorial Day, okay. So you can start on Tuesday. All right, ABT. All right, ABT, are you from Kuching? Because I heard about Kolomi. Okay, I'm from Kuching also. All right. Okay. So basically, this is how you're going to get started. Okay, so from there you start to learn, you join to our group, because the moment your account is approved, you automatically add into our group, okay, our general group. And from there we have a daily update about the about stock market. Sometimes we're talking about some other issue, but I think 80-90% we are talking about stock market. All right. And the moment you fund in $100, okay, we will add in you to the options 101 course, okay. So basically from there also you can learn something new, what Peter said, okay. But at this point of time, just keep it simple, okay, because simple sometimes really works one, okay. So just if you haven't have an account, okay, please sign up and we will guide you step by step how you're going to do it. All right. Okay, so Peter, you and guys, you have any questions, please ask now. We have another 8 minutes to go before we sign off. And yep.
Hi, Dr. Mike Ravi here.
Hi, Ravi.
Yeah, just a quick thing. You were saying that we can start as low as $100 and $200. So what strategy really you guys are suggesting that to build up from that number?
Okay, for $100 every month you're putting in, okay, the strategy we have mentioned earlier already, okay,
Yeah.
is a dollar cost averaging.
Okay.
All right. Okay,
But that
so you can actually every week you can buy $100, I think can give you a lot of shade for you to choose. Under Armour currently is worth about $20. So $100 you can buy about 5 shares of Under Armour already.
Right. So would that, then how do you mix match with investing and trading, as you said earlier? So will there be both trades
Okay.
and investing?
Today our topic is more on investing. It's not about trading. Okay.
Okay.
So about tradings, right? Okay. There are a lot of variable involved. Okay. I don't want to mention about that. Okay.
Mhm.
So basically, and also I believe tradings here is you need to spend a lot of time.
Yeah.
Okay. Unless you full time in it. Okay. Then you can. Okay. So we are not going to touch on that part. Okay. Because today our topic is more on investing. So you must have an investing portfolio and a trading portfolio if you want to do both. I
Right.
personally have 8 portfolio in stocks. Okay, so yeah, okay, because of I before, I mean for investing one, I just every month I have excess money. I keep collecting Apple. I keep collecting Berkshire Hathaway, Tesla, Neo, all these stock that I believe. Okay,
Right.
so those after 1 year is almost about 100% already return. Okay, so that is actually for the investing portfolio. Okay, so for the trading portfolio, basically I will actually do a day trading. Okay, so that is mostly involved in the options part. Okay, so that unless you have big resources, okay, I mean big resources here is big, you have a lot of money. Okay, for example, let's say you have 20,000 US dollars to start. Okay, maybe you can put 10,000 into investing or 10,000 into trading. Okay, so trading is more complex. Okay, and honestly speaking, okay, I don't encourage you to start trading if you're not going through, okay, those trading lesson yet. Okay, for
Yep.
example, like the option, if you want to trading options, okay, let's say you haven't go through it, don't do that yet, because I want you to uh, start with a very simple and secure and a long-term basis.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Yep. Got it.
Yeah, thanks a lot, Ravi. Okay. So I hope your KYC, I think already solved already, right, Ravi?
No, not really yet. There's the brokers in US came back with a couple of questions. I replied them last week, and until now,
Yeah.
no news
Uh,
after that.
mm, yeah, we have because you are the first case actually, because I thought you are Pakistanis, okay, but it seems like are you a locally origins Malaysians born?
Yes, Malaysia born, Malaysia IC holder.
Yeah, yeah. I don't know why, because most of I would say 99% we have not issue for Malaysian unless
Yeah,
you are
well,
from
obviously,
Pakistan or
I uploaded my IC as the document proof, and not even passport. It's my IC that I uploaded, and so I don't know
Mm,
why
mm.
it's taking up so
Don't worry
long.
about that. Okay, let's say next week. Okay, let's say there's no still news, still no still not reply from that. I will ask this admin to handle it.
Yeah.
Okay, and we will actually ask this. I will personally also maybe call them to ask them what happened actually. All right.
Okay. Sure. No
Okay.
problem. Yeah.
All right. Okay. So any other question beside this? Yes. Okay. Okay. Now, basically, if you want to look at our trading platform, okay, we have many type of trading platform that you can choose. Okay. So let's see. Okay, you come to our website. Okay. The moment you come to our website, basically, you actually can, you can go to the trading. Okay, www dot okay MTRADEGO. You can go to the trading part. Okay, for trading part, basically you can see our platform there. Okay, the internet connection is very slow, but you come to here trading, and then you will get, you can see our trading channel. Okay, so you start with us with stock, and then when you go to options, okay, and then when you go trade options, basically we will guide you to using an advanced professional version. It's called a handy trader here. Okay, so we have a few type of platform, but if you are not advanced user yet, don't. Okay, I would say do things step by step. Okay, very simple. Okay, before you become the world champion, try to win the local match first. Then you go to the district, and then you go to the state, you go to the country, then only you go to the world class. Okay, same thing. All right. Okay, so stock market actually is the best place for you to start earlier. Okay, as soon as possible, because time actually is your asset now. Okay, if you don't start now by using dollar cost averaging, okay, 5 to 10 years from now, you look back, you will regret. Trust me. Okay, trust me. Okay, I've been there before. I know. Okay, and the easier, the best way is the earlier you start, the better it is. Okay, so from there you learn. Okay, and if you really found a good company or few company that you invested in, 5 years from now, I will say welcome to the millionaire club, as at least in ringgit. I have achieved that already. Okay, you know what I mean or not? Okay, so basically, uh, this is I mean, what I want you guys to start early and learn from it. Okay, beside your current strategy. The edge to start, okay, is Palantir good stock to target? Palantir actually one of the growth stock which we're going to mention. Okay, so for those who actually watch the FB and currently you don't have a sign up yet, okay, well, the moment you sign up, we are going to plan to talk about another show about growth stock. Okay, growth stock basically is very volatile. Okay, so I like Palantir is because I have the factor to support it, the conviction to support it. Okay, so but it is very, very volatile. I can't tell you it's a good stock or not good stock, because I don't know your risk appetite. You know what I mean? Okay, whether you can see the thing down. The best here is don't focus in one stock. If you start to actually getting more money and invest in your stock portfolio. Okay, you can have a mixed portfolio. Okay, what I have. Okay, so basically this is actually to avoid the concentration risk, we call it. Okay, minimum age, well, are you 18 years old? Okay, so if you are 18 years old, yeah, you can join already. Okay, so easy. Yeah, for your kids, exactly, Ravi. Okay, okay, this is the best gift for them, I believe that. Okay, because I myself actually created one portfolio for my kids also. All right, guys. Okay, so any more questions? Okay, before if you can't think of any more questions, you actually can write to us. For long term, yeah, for long term investment, I believe it is good. Okay, it's good. Okay, because unless fundamental change, okay, fundamental change meaning that unless they change their some other company which actually is better than them in terms of AI, okay, in terms of algorithms, okay, in terms of security software, okay, so but it seems like they are getting more and more company to join them, because before that they are actually in a government sector. Now actually they go into the S&P 500 companies already, the software. All right, okay, so it's all up to you, have to keep on track on that company, whether all these fundamental will change or not. Okay, yeah, but put it this way, if you really want to save one, okay, this is one of the company I'm actually contribute the most in my portfolio now is Berkshire Hathaway, not class A, it's B. Class A is too expensive for me to buy also. Okay, class A one share is 400 over 1,000. Class B actually currently they're selling about 290 US dollars, okay, per share. And my entry price is average entry price is about 220, so I'm making about $70 there already. Okay, so basically this is one of the way you actually can invest securely. Okay, I think our time is out already. Okay, and thanks a lot for your guys attend today's. Okay, and today, yeah, there's no fees. Okay, You mean what fees? Okay. The moment, okay, you invest in our, okay, you let's say you want to look at you want to compare commission. Definitely there's a commission, but you want to compare the commission. Okay, you can come to our website again. You can look at the plan. Okay, so basically under the plan there, basically you can actually look into the this what do you call that, what type of category you are in. Okay, so basically if you are new beginners, okay, basically one trade we also charge you very low price. However, you know, this is actually for you to learn first. Okay, this is you treat like a tuition fee. Okay, not be too excited. Okay, $100, okay, can start. You thinking that, oh, you can become a millionaire already. No such thing one. You know what I mean? Okay, I would say this is the fun. $100 is a tuition fee for you to start to learn. Very early stage also, I saying already, you must at least take about 1 to 2 years to learn. Okay, because you need to be practical. Okay, meaning that involved. You cannot know something is like drop shot, smash. Okay, then you suddenly want to become world champion. No such thing. Okay, okay. After you know all these things, okay, you will go to the court. Okay, and then start play. Okay, badminton. Same thing like stock. Okay, and from there you learn to how to become a good investor. But if let's say you are starting with 2,000 US dollars, okay, basically you actually can look at our fee comparison here. Okay, and for Asia broker best, okay, we are the lowest. Okay, we are the lowest in the industry. Okay, so basically you can do your own research here. Okay, you can go to what do you call that, if let's say you cannot sometimes the link here is not working, you actually can email admin and we will actually forward you the fees, because we want to keep our fees the lowest. That's why we don't want to publish it. Okay, I mean Asia best. Of course, we can't fight with the American best broker, but bear it in mind when you're using Americans brokers. Okay, the risk here is, okay, you will not be entertained if let's say any problem. Okay, because they are more all actually I mean they are more like a self-service type, and then they try to using bot to entertain you this and that, and it might not works for Asia context. Okay, however, Asia best for US stock one, we are the lowest. Okay, any more questions? How to cut loss? Okay, if you are investing, your cut loss is when the business fundamental change. Why I mean business fundamental change? I give example, something like Kodak in the beginning. Okay, you can see the whole industry already changed it to a very creative way to taking photo already, but they still stick to the old way. Then you have to be careful. Okay, because we are talking about you are invest in a mega cap or a large cap or at least a mid cap company here. Okay, I'm not encourage you to invest in those what do you call it, a small cap or micro cap in US. Okay, because these are more risky. That one you can go for what do you call it, trading. If you want to do a trading, okay, yes, you can go cut loss. Investing normally before you decide the stock, okay, you are more like before you married a girl. Okay, you have to really decide already, you know, this is the stock you're going to hold it for long term already, unless other factors, okay, which actually is really out your expectation, then only you cut loss. Okay, or else you know, don't buy it. Okay, because what you're talking about cut loss here is more on trading side. Investing side is you only cut loss when the fundamental of the stock already changed. Okay, and there are no market dominance already. Okay, you know what I mean? Okay, and they are losing the competitive edge already. Okay, then maybe you can start deciding to cut loss if you not lost confidence on that company because of all these factors. All right, any more? Yeah, thanks. All right, okay, any more? Peter, you are there? Yeah. Yep. All right. Okay. I think we already 10 minutes out already, Pete. Okay. So we don't want to taking too long other people times. Okay. And thanks a lot again. Stay safe. Yeah. Stay safe to everyone. Okay. So I hope in the near futures, if you have any query or what you want us to have a live or what, okay, you always actually can visit our add us as a friend, as me, at Peter as your friend in the Facebook. Or once you are in already, we add you in our WhatsApp and the Telegram group already. So we can always communicate over that side. All right. So you have anything to say before we sign off? Doc, Peter, and Vijay. Okay. So stay safe, everyone. Okay. So thanks and start, invest, and we hope to see you in our Millionaire Club very, very soon. All right. Cheers. Cheers. Bye.
Recording stop.